I've learned a lot of my rights and I will be exercising them. But again, I would much rather not deal with the fight, just as I know you would like to not deal with the fight. If we could please come to some form of agreement of time served for the, I've been in jail for 122 days for something I didn't do.
One of those heartbreaking but complicated moments. On one hand, he claims he's been sitting in jail for 122 days for something he didn't do. On the other hand, the way he's talking to the court tells a different story. He's trying to play both victim and negotiator at the same time.
I'm going to pause for now. I'm going to pause now because I think you're having discussions I don't want to hear because I'm not legally allowed to hear them. So if we'll reset, let's reset for Monday.
Yeah, we can reset for Monday. And if I can't do anything on Monday, we'll just reset you again.
Right. Thank you. Have a great weekend, everybody. And
see you Monday.
Mia, please work with look,
I'll
lady,
talk to Miss
I'm
Keller,
not about.
okay? I'll talk to
I'm
Miss
done
Keller
resisting.
about it.
Another thing I wanted to say is I've been a difficult prick a little bit in the past. I was going through a lot, and I'm please work with me. And
This is rare. A defendant actually admits to being a difficult prick. That kind of self-awareness usually earns respect from the judge, if it's genuine. Clip 3. But just seconds later, he flips again, threatening to sue the entire courtroom under federal statute. This is classic sovereign citizen energy. Apologize, then immediately
I will speak with Miss Keller, okay?
okay. Thank you.
All right. Let the officer know that we're ready to go.
Bye, Con.
All right. Take care.
You too.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Cardona. Miss Talene has had internet issues. She's not been able to join us today. So what I was going to say is we'll see you Friday morning, the same time at 10:30. We're going to continue you over so that Miss Talene can be available to represent you.
Okay.
Okay. All right. We will see you Friday morning.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Cardona.
Thank you, Honor.
Thank you,
Consider
officer.
dismissing it because you guys are all criminally being held liable for knowingly depriving me of my constitutional rights under 42 USC 1983, and I will seek 242 criminal liability if this continues. But I'll see you Friday.
The judge is calm. Notice how she's buying time instead of engaging in a power struggle. That's experience. Never argue with someone who's trying to provoke you. Just reset the hearing and move on.
Okay. We will see you on Monday.
Have a good weekend.
All right. You do the same. And we will see everybody else. I've got to leave.
He's talking about sunflowers and spiritual resonance. This is either deep philosophy or peak jail boredom. I honestly can't tell.
Fernanda, if you'll stay on the meeting, but everybody else can leave. I just want to double check on the feedback that we're getting, see if we can figure that out.
Thank you. Have a great weekend.
All right. Take care.
42 USC 1983.
And unmute you. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Your attorney, Miss Selene, is talking to the city attorney right now. So just give me 1 second. Whenever they're done, I will put you on a breakout room with her.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yep. That'd be great. Thank you.
Thank you for your patience.
The back. So I was like, oh, yeah, like, oh shit. I've done that too many times. You know what the spiritual meaning of the sunflower is? Loyalty, faith, and fuck, it's failing me now. Endurance.
Thanks for letting me know.
Do you know that they all face each other on a cloudy day to bounce the resonant sunlight off the yellow face to give each other more light? And then on a sunny day, they're like, what a fucking concept. What if people did that? You know? Like,
did he just flirt with the prosecutors on a live stream court hearing? Yes. Yes, he did. Bold strategy. Let's see if it pays off.
Right. Not too surprising, unfortunately. There's more people on this one than I've ever seen for this. I suppose. Forgot. There's still they haven't done my breakout session yet, and I forgot some paperwork in my cell. Is there any chance I'd be able to run back and grab that? It's kind of important.
And suddenly, everything changes. No legal threats. No bravado. Just a man admitting he was homeless, struggling, and grateful for a second chance. This is the most human moment in the whole case.
It's I have a folder in my cell. It's got like all my notes and things with times and dates. And I forgot it. Sorry, I was in a hurry. Yeah, cool. Thank you, guys. Appreciate that.
Unhappy.
Yeah, I've really tried a lot to help him and get him to understand. Like, he's here on some pretty big bullshit. Like, it's obvious bullshit. Somebody's kind of going out of their way to fuck him over. That is not how you deal with it. I get it, because I literally am here because somebody's fucking me over. But multiple people, I guess, are fucking me over. Never seen so many great looking DAs. Blowing my mind. Oh damn, I'm not muted anymore. Whoops. You as well. You're also very great looking. Good morning.
All right, good morning. I am not sure which defendant we have. Can you
This
please
is-
tell me your name?
This is Mr. Cardona, Your Honor.
Okay. So, Mr. Cardona, this is not the first time you've been seen in the Boulder Municipal Court on these cases. So I'm not going to go through all of the charges and dates of violation. The maximum penalty for any charge in this court is a $2,650 fine or 90 days in jail or both. I know there have been ongoing discussions about disposing of your cases. Let me hear from Ms. Talene what you two have discussed today.
So, Your Honor, I'm not sure if I was just speaking with Miss Reifenberg and the offer. So Mr. Cardona is going to be accepting that offer. And we can go from there.
Okay, great. Is that accurate, Mr. Cardona?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Mr. Cardona, I have a couple of questions for your attorney, and then I will ask you how you plead, okay?
Okay.
Ms. Talene, can you assure me that you have advised your client of his rights, that he understands his rights, that he realizes that by pleading guilty, he's giving up his right to a trial?
Yes, Mr. Cardona and I have had several conversations. I am confident that he understands his rights.
Okay. Can you also represent to me that you have explained to him the elements of the offenses and the maximum penalties?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree that there's a factual basis, or are you willing to waive a factual basis?
I would waive the establishment of a factual basis.
All right. And Mr. Cardona, is it your choice to plead guilty?
Yes, ma'am. It seems like the better benefit for everybody involved, and absolutely.
Okay. Then how do you plead to the charge of threatening bodily injury? Is he also required to plead to the dog at large charge?
My understanding was that we were just doing the one guilty plea.
Okay. Then how do you plead to the charge of threatening bodily injury that you were advised about the details of on a previous date? Or guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right. I will find that your guilty plea is knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily entered. And anything anybody wants to say further before I impose sentence?
No, Your Honor.
I
Okay.
hope.
Not for me. Do you want to say something, Mr. Cardona?
Just, I really appreciate. I hope it goes in collaboration with the deal. If the sentence is different, I hope it's not. But just, I wanted to say, like I was homeless, really struggling with a lot of different things, and I'm very grateful for this deal and to be able to fix it, because I've found my home, and I don't want to have fucked up things. Excuse me. I don't want to have messed up things in my home. And you guys are all my family as far as I'm concerned. So thank you for understanding and meeting me halfway.
15 days. Time served. Case dismissed. After all the chaos, it ended with mercy.
Okay. I will thank you for your remarks. I am going to impose 15 days of jail. I will give you credit for time served for any such credit that you're entitled to. And court costs are waived. The remaining charges in this case and the remaining cases are all dismissed